QinetiQ are a fantastic Australian company backed up by global expertise, and if I was really to go to the core of what QinetiQ is about, it's actually test and evaluation, so providing that knowledge, the insight and the understanding of defence capability that they can have, so that the warfighters can sustain and operate those platforms to the maximum benefit that they possibly can. And to do that, we have a whole range of everything from specialist engineering to logisticians to scientists, and really bringing a whole lot of things together to really support defence so that they understand what they have, so they can use it better, work out what the next evolution of those capabilities are. So again, that test and evaluation that QinetiQ provides that knowledge, that understanding, that insight into what they actually operate. QinetiQ's Indo-Pacific, this is a fantastic time to connect with our clients, and one of the things we find that where QinetiQ is really good and we're really strong, and we're embedded over the Modern Warfare Maintenance Facility, we're embedded with Defence Science and Technology Group at Fisherman's Bend. So when we come together with our clients, we actually get the understanding of what they need, and equally talking to industry partners here to understand what other industry partners are doing as well, so that we can connect with those, and then we can bring those things together to look at what Navy needs and say, actually this is a great idea, we can do this a little bit better, a little bit faster, a little bit higher value for money for you by bringing these companies together, because we understand what you need. So it's that exchange of ideas, that exchange of understanding, and so people understand who we are. It's an exciting time in the next 12 months for QinetiQ here in Australia. We're investing over $15 million in our own facility down into Victoria, so we're actually doing our own design, prototype and manufacture, so we'll be able to bring together the best of QinetiQ locally and globally, and then actually set up that as a production capability here in Australia. And when I say production, small scale, bespoke, that's what QinetiQ does best. We've also just extended our contract to Modern Warfare Maintenance Facility for another 5 years, so we've now developed a new thing called QSense, which is actually going to take modern warfare training to the area that it should be in, to the next step, so fully censored and high technology capabilities. We're looking at the test and evaluation RFI that just came out from Defence. We've answered that, and we're looking at playing a much larger role and bringing our global expertise into that area, as well as the guided weapons and EO arena. That's actually core of what our company does. Our company operates the explosive test ranges, the only company in the world that does that sort of thing for the Ministry of Defence, for NATO, for companies, and so bringing that capability to Australia is an extremely exciting time for us, and looking forward to it. I think like everyone in Australia at the moment, the commercial challenges for something like QinetiQ is actually our people. We need to continue to attract really smart, clever people, because that's what we're based on. We're a high-tech engineering basis of our company, so attracting those people. The commercial challenges for us, we've got deep, long-term embedded relationship with Defence Science and Technology. We've been doing that contract, for instance, for 13 years across a team of 100 people. For the structural integrity, so aviation structural integrity, we've been doing that for over 20 years. So we really have those long-term commercial arrangements with Defence, and so for us now it's providing more value to Defence through those contracting mechanisms that we actually have, and involving those continually on, and then bringing that in the commercial enterprise, being able to invest more and more in Australia. So that's the sort of challenges for us, so bringing those people together with the investment, with the facilities, and our relationship will continue to build with Defence, because they know what we do and extremely supportive.